Not really coating well, is it? It's kind of separating for some damn reason. Huh. Never saw that happen before. Okay, well, instead of having you watch paint dry, folks, I'm gonna go and get a drink and come back in 10-15 minutes, and from there we'll flip this over and do the other side with the prime, and then we'll let that dry, and I'll go ahead and set the blade over there to completely dry. When I do that, we'll bring that beast up to once again just kind of wipe stuff down and throw some primer on that as well as some paint, and call it a day. This particular project is almost completed, so we'll have to move on to the next. So as I said at the beginning of the summer, you know, I've got a lot of stuff I've got to do. This isn't, you know, just a few things here or there. No, this is definitely going to be a while. This is definitely a few tasks that I have to deal with. I said to everyone that it's going to be a whole summer of stuff, and I've got I've still got a whole list of things I've got to do. So stay tuned, and we'll keep knocking out one task after another. And look at it though, folks. Get this out of my way here. I've got my grass seed here. I'm gonna go and I've put another layer of grass seed down there. I've got grass seed I got to put down out there. So, okay, trust me, folks, this is nowhere near the end of the season. Now, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to have enough warm days for me to complete everything, just like last year. Last year was a very cool and wet summer, so I had very few days that I could do anything, and oddly enough, the days that I did have available to do stuff, believe it or not, I couldn't. I had to take care of business, got to pay the bills, so I had to take care of that. So there's even less days that I could do stuff. I've got last year's work, this year's work all piled up on one list. And folks, the back door, if you haven't noticed, not last year, but the year before, was in 2021, I put in all the new windows, in 2021 I put in new windows, and then I painted all the trim, okay? And I never got to the door, the back door. I painted the front door, but by the time I got to the back door, I got sidetracked with an emergency call, and I figured, okay, well, I'll just go ahead, take care of that door some other time. Well, that's been well over almost 2 freaking years now. So, I mean, I still have to paint the back door. You know, I've still, as I said yesterday, I've got to go around the windows and caulk and seal all the windows, doors. We've got a lot of things to go, all right? And I'm running out of time, I can tell you that. I mean, we've got a lot of stuff still on the list to take care of. I still want to kind of level this soil off a little bit, so that way when I come winter time, I'm going to need my snow blower to kind of make a path out from the door to the shed, as well as out the sidewalk, and then out to the back there. So I want to kind of level this off a little bit, before it gets too cold or before the ground freezes. And to do that, I'm going to have to dig out my tilling cultivator and I'm not going to go fancy with it or anything. I'm just going to, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually dips in numerous places. All I'm going to do is kind of just level it off. Up there in the corner of the house, it's higher than it is down there. So I want to kind of smooth that out. So that's in the future. So there's a lot of stuff I have to do, alright? You know, people ask me all the time, why am I making these weird little videos when I claim there's a lot bigger task, and I'm like, well, if I don't do this stuff now, then I'm going to be standing out here in the freezing cold doing the stuff. So either way, I have to do all this stuff. And with caulking and sealing the windows, I can do that in the late fall, before everything freezes. But if it's cold, so what? Even in the winter, I can still caulk windows. So it's not like it's the end of the world for that. I just don't want to be out here, standing here, blizzard going. Granted, I can close this down, but I've yet to figure out how to get heat out here. So until I figure that out, I've got to do all these little tasks first. I think I can do the backside now that I've been rambling my fucking mouth. But yeah, it's not that I'm, running out of things to do. I mean, I still have to fix the fence. I have to work on the gate. It's having a hard time opening and closing. Ever since my neighbor backed his piece of shit into my fence, it's been opening and closing wrong. He thinks I didn't catch him on my security camera pointed out to the door. He really thinks he got away with it. Yeah. But, the gate just right there, the front gate there, that one, it opens and closes, but it's starting to sag. The one post, due to the fact that my neighbor keeps hanging shit on the fence, on his side of the fence, it's pulling my fence post over, making it to where the gate won't close. No, literally, I mean, I can extend the little latch out, and it doesn't go far enough to actually lock. So I've got to fix that. So there's a lot of stuff, folks, I've got to do. All right, I am not running out of shit to do. All right, I hate to say, but there's going to be a lot of stuff I'm going to be doing in the winter, even though I don't want to be out here in the winter doing it, freezing my ass off. But there's a lot of stuff, folks. All right, don't worry. You know, a lot of people ask me why I tip it upside down and spray out until it, blows clear. Well, believe it or not, it actually says to do just that. The reason why is this way, when you tip it upside down and spray, it'll spray just what's in that little straw that's inside there. It'll blow that out, and then you blow all the paint out of the nozzle as well as that straw. So that way it won't dry, and then you're sitting there like, God dang, and then you're sticking little pins in there, and it actually said, do not stick pins or other objects into can while holding the can, Clean spray button immediately after use by turning can upside down and pressing spray button for 5 seconds or until no more paint comes out. So yeah, it literally says to do that, to clear out all that paint. So that way you don't have a clogged tip. But yeah, I was gonna go and get a drink, folks, so I'll be right back, and we'll continue on. Alrighty. Oh, okay, so that's all dry. Let's get the yeah, we'll do black. Shit, this paint's also separating. Damn. Alright, so I don't need to be too fussy with this. Oh shit. Nah, fuck it. It's good enough. Not looking for Taj Mahal. It's gonna all be destroyed the first time I fire up that lawnmower. Okay. Instantly ran out of shit to. Oh, I wanted to do a splotch real quick of. Okay. shit. I've got to clean that out again. Straighten everything up again. Believe it or not, damn. And last, I'm going to go ahead and put this up on top. Okay, now we can go ahead. Oh, that damn wheel. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. Oh, right in the gut again. Shit. That hurts. Ah, fuck. That goes right into my... right freaking here. Oh, fuck, that hurts. Yeah, I gotta do some peeling here. Where'd my deal go? Oh, right there. Oh, shit. Once again, I'm not looking for Taj Mahal. Just looking to basically stop this rust. No. Okay, so, oh shit, nope. The motor is still really good, so I'm trying to make this deck last as long as possible. Where would we be when there'd be no more junk vehicles out on the road? Loud as fuck. Okay. Shit. Don't want to do that. And I just made it even better. And I just wiped everything off of it. I wonder if I can just do it from behind. Well, sort of. Oh, shit. Wow, this paint just wipes off all printing whatsoever. Oh, this fucking primer is corrosive. Shit. Okay. I believe that's good enough for that. Let's just get this beast turned around. Maybe, shit. How the hell did I turn this around before? Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, that's paint. Couldn't tell if the camera was on or not, folks. So I had to check. Well, this isn't gonna do anything. Okay, now one last sweep through. Good enough. I know there's people out there going, oh my god, you painted so wrong, dude. Like I said, I'm not looking for Taj fucking Mahal here. I'm not rich, so I don't need to worry about, you know, all this nitpicky kind of stuff. I just want it to last as long as humanly possible. There's a difference there. One is you got the money to just go out and buy brand new and then pay someone to wash, detail everything you own, wax it, buff it. The other is just limp it along until you survive. I always tell people, you got a problem with what I do. Ain't no one stopping you from buying me new shit or giving me money to buy shit. So, yeah. Otherwise, just don't watch my videos, I guess. I don't know. Fuck. If you got a problem with it. I'm just trying to survive just like everybody else. Shit. A lot of people say, well, dude, you get a lot of money, man, from videos. I'm like, dude, I'm not monetized. I don't get a dime. Which is kind of strange because they still put ads on my damn videos. It's like, what the fuck, man? If you're gonna monetize my videos, give me some of that fucking money. Haven't y'all noticed that shit? They claim, oh, and I just put my hand right in that damn paint. Yep. So I'm gonna have to redo that. Oh well. But I'm getting it all over the fucking place. Jeez. It's funny how they monetize everyone's videos, like on YouTube, but they never want to share the wealth unless you get like 10 million fucking likes or some shit. It's like, no, fuck that, dude. You're gonna monetize my shit, make money off me, then share that shit. You know, people should band together. We should literally take them to court, class action lawsuit. Say, hey, you know, if they're gonna put ads here, they should at least give us a percentage. Oof. The wind's blowing that shit right back at me. I always prime everything before the first painting, just because, well, it helps destroy the rust. Doesn't get rid of it, just kind of helps. Jeez, I gotta step out of there, folks. It's getting a little painy. My fucking arm is dead. Jeez. Damn, I don't know what's the worse, my arm or the amount of pain I'm breathing in here right now. I got the fan blowing, I can't be any more open. Jeez, my arm is dead. Okay. Where'd that? Oh, there it is.